Welcome to our newest listing, 330 Park Avenue.
This is an exciting opportunity. Let's go find out why. Built in 1997, this building is in great condition and comes with 2,400 square feet, 3 offices, 2 bathrooms, break room, and lots of open space.
This property offers so much. We have 7 parking spaces up front. We have a partially fenced-in backyard with a patio, conveniently located off the walking path and centrally located in Rifle, Colorado. Call us for more information. I'm Dina with Ronan Real Estate.
And I'm Katie Davis with the GSD team powered by Bray.